Hey everybody, it's Saturday. It's Saturday, May 11th. I just got my package from Mums in Canada. My microgreens. What we got here? Let's see. 1 kilogram, 2.2 pounds of broccoli rabe seeds. This is like the biggest bag of sunflower seeds. I don't even know what I ordered. I think I ordered 2 pounds or 5 pounds. It's a big bag. Big bag of sunflower. And wow, that's even heavier. A bag of speckled pea. That's speckled peas. Oh, 11 pounds. Ooh. And probably 11 pounds of 11 pounds of sunflower. So that's the black oil sunflower seed. So I think I'm gonna start a couple of trays today. That's Saturday, and see how this goes. My first time doing anything besides broccoli and radish. So wish me luck, and see you in a couple of days.